My name is Geneviève Côté, and I am always golden buzzer. Yeah!
Ever since I saw her the first time, after I pressed the golden buzzer, I've been... I don't think I'd get a golden buzzer.
In the CIBC side stage, will give me a good advice.
Make some noise.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some.
You make some noise.
I do it all the time, everywhere, every hour. But when I was 11 years old, I lost everything. I lost my clown because I lost my mom. My mom died by suicide. I lost my voice for a long time because I'm lost. I became a mom at 20 years old. I was so young. I do my best, but sometimes it was very difficult to do that alone. In my 20s and my 30s, I'm a waitress at a restaurant. I don't like my life because it's not what I want. I want to go on stage, I want to perform. I record a parody video, send 1,000 times. Only one person liked my video, one person. And after that, he calls me to get part of his show. That was my start. Now I'm 47 years old. I think it's my time. I told my son I'm going to be on a CGT. My son said, are you sure, Mom, you want to do animal sound? You think you're going to win with that? I want to show my son my noise make me so powerful and unique.
Hi, Mom. I wish you the best for the semifinals. I'm sorry I cannot be with you at Niagara Falls. I love you.
I love you too. For the semifinals, I want to bring everybody into my head, into my world. So come with me. So much noise here.
The end of the line.
I know.